Тынышталамыз балалар. Раз. Все. Good morning, pupils. Stand up, please. Good morning. Thank you. Sit down. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Who is on duty today? Ahmed. Who is absent today? Isashnar. Okay. She is ill? Yes, okay. Sit down, please. Our lesson start. Please pay attention. Look at the board. What is his logo? Python. Yes, you are right. The next. What is ID? What is ID, pupils? Please, Marjan. Development. Environment. Okay. You are right. Okay. The next, please. Look at the board. Pay attention. Open your copybook. Please write our lesson topic. Your first program. Please write. You will identify identify components of ID. Learn how to write a code in Python. Your first program. Our team, our lesson. Your first program. Write, please. Where is copybook? Nazira, please write. Okay. The next, look at the board, please. Pupils. Why Python? Please. Why Python? Why Python? Islam, please. Learn. Code. Compiles. Executes. Okay. Good job. Python is a programming language which is much easier to learn than other programming languages. It has a compiler where we can write a program code and see how it compiles and executes written code. You are right. Thank you. Python can. Who is? Python can. Other pupils. Nazira, please. Only Marjan? Nazira, please. Python can. Please, Marjan. Software. And games. Ahmed, you are right. Well done. Okay. build websites, provide database access, build desktop graphic user interface, and build software and games. Okay. Thank you. And interesting information. Read, please. Ahmed. Did we know? Did you know? Yes, we will know. Okay. Sit down, please. The next, terminology. Repeat after me together, all together, okay? Compiler, компилятор. Syntax, syntaxis. Phrase, сөз тіркесі фраза. Item, зат, предмет. Double quotes, қос тырнақша, двойные кавычки. Separating, бюллетень, разделяющий. Mathematical statement, математикалық мәлімдеме, математическое утверждение. This is one mistake. I'm sorry, okay? To modify, өзгерту, изменить. Source, бастапқы, исходный. Okay, one by one, please. Okay, Бахтнур. Назира. Phrase. Арелан. Double quotes. Double quotes. Repeat after me. Double quotes. Кавычки. Okay. Мири, please. Ислам. Махжан. Ярасыл. To modify. Даулет. Нуртурия. Compiler. Компилятор. Ahmed, please. Okay. And write down, please. Please. Be quick. Write down compiler, compilator. I will give you 3 minutes. Write, please. Be quick. Okay. The next, getting started. Click on Start and type Python. Select IDLE to work with Python and open new file to write your first program code. Task at page 126. You need to display the word hello 5 times. Please do it. Open Python, program Python, please. Open Python. Open IDLE and write code. Okay, Давлет? Do it, please. Working. I will give you 3 minutes. It's okay? 3 minutes. Open Python, open IDLE, and write code. Build first program. Build your first program. Please do it. And pupils, evaluation criteria, explanation of the executing algorithm, 1 ball, and explain the structure of each 1 ball. Okay? Practice. Be carefully, work. And explain your program, all program. For I in range 5. Print. Salam. I will give you 3 minutes. Can I help you? Can I help you? It's okay. Salary. File, save as, and in desktop, give name and run. Okay, run. And in result, 5 times. Salam. Okay. Okay. The next, the first, Nurtoria, please explain the structure of each. Okay, well done. Bahtnur, please. Okay, good job. Ahmed, please. Okay. Okay, 5 times. Yeah? Marjan, please. Right. Okay, well done. Super. Good job. Please, Islam, please. Okay, well done. Nazira, please. Save. And it's save. In result, 5 times word, the word Salam. Okay? Sit down, please. Yarasıl, please. What? No, what? What? Oh, Okay, good job, please. Yerketang. Program. Okay, good job. Please, Dawlet. Please, please, stand up, please, and explain. Program Python. Open idle. And right. Code. And then hello. The word in result. The word hello 5 times. Okay. Not bad. Miri, please. Louder, louder. Speak louder, please, Miri. Louder. Desktop. Okay, RLM, please. Okay, good. Not bad, Arelan. The next, look at the board, please. Pay attention. Look. The next, feedback. I realized. I did and I accepted. Please, feedback. Так, Nurturi, please. Realized. What? Python program, and I did. Write code, and I accepted. All program Python. Yes. Okay. Wachtner, please. Accepted. Okay, Marjan and okay. Assessment, please. Assessment, walk it away, ready to chat, invisible, smile and applaud. Don't disturb or do not disturb. Online. Who is assessment? For example, Bahatnur, online. Yes, online. And Yirketang, please. Your assessment online. Okay. Arelam, please. Nazira. Miri. Online. The next. Online. And the Marjan, for example, Smile and plow. Yes? Smile and plow. Online. Ерасыл. Дәулет. Дәулет, work it away. Yes? Work it away. Or invisible. Invisible. And Nurture. Nurture. Ready to chat. Yes. And Ahmed. Read. Oh, it's okay. Well done. Okay. Your marks are Ahmed, Marjan, Nurture, Baqatnur, 10 balls. 10 balls. And Daulet, 7 balls. And Miri, 7 balls. Baqatnur, Arelan and Nazira. Arelan and Nazira, 8 balls. Yirketang, 9 balls. Yerasul and Islam, 8 balls. Okay, the lesson is over. Thank you. Goodbye, pupils.